Hi all, Elaine here from MRE Studio Designs, and today we're going to be working on a stone that was requested, and we're starting with the teal Sculpey Primo clay, and we're going to add some bling to it. What I'm going to be using is some of the Peacock Blue uh, Lebro Fine Glitter. We're just going to spread that all over our clay. So what I do is I just pour some on top of the clay, and then just blend it in with my hand to make sure it's all spread all over the place and very well incorporated into the clay. Now, to incorporate this into the clay completely, you can't just put this through your pasta machine. You'll get the glitter all over the place and it'll probably go on to other pieces. So you want to make sure that this is all well blended in together before putting it in the pasta machine. The way I do that is I roll it first into a log. And get as much of the air out as I can. And then use my roller to flatten it out. And then I'll fold it in half and do the same thing again. And you could tell when it starts to get really blended in well together because the layers will stop moving around on you. And once you're satisfied that it's all one piece, then you can run it through the pasta machine. So this is the way that it looks once it's all completely incorporated. And our next step is to make some thicker layers so that we can chop it up to make our stone. So we're just going to start chopping it up, little pieces. Now, she told me she did not want to use paint on this, but she did want it to be very blingy, so we're going to be using some white holographic glitter. It's very fine glitter. And we're just going to add a whole bunch of that to this. We're going to mix it together real well, and then we're going to re-chop it until all the glitter is used up. Here we have all the glitter is combined with the clay. She also wanted a little bit of silver through it. I'm not sure quite how much she wanted, so we're going to start with some silver clay, the Sculpey Primo. And I'm going to use the silver clay with a shredder that I keep specifically for clay. Never use it for anything else. I'm just going to shred some into the blue. And just mix that all together. And we're going to combine all the pieces now. Okay, so now that we have fixed the sound and replaced our battery, we can continue. So when I cut this in a piece here, it's nice, but it's not quite what I want. So we're going to re-chop this up. And since I know she likes silver and the teal together, I'm going to take some silver foil and incorporate it into the stone. And let's put that back together again. Okay, so now let's cut it and see what we got. Okay, I like that a lot better. It's very blingy. It's got silver through it, the way she liked. I think she'll be very happy with that. So let's get some molds out and make some cabochons. Okay, so let's get a large oval piece first. That's fine. Put that in there. A little low on one side. There we go. And there's our first cabochon. Get a tile. And I think just to see the difference, I'm going to make a cabochon out of the original piece without the silver foil. Let's see. I guess we'll make one of the large round ones. And we'll bake them all and see how they come out. It's actually not too bad either. Okay, let's try a couple of the small ones as well. Okay, so we're going to put these in the oven for half an hour at 275. the recommended time and temperature for the Sculpey Primo. And when they come out, we're going to resin them and see how they look. So I will be right back. So here we are, the end of our tutorial with our two different cabochons, the one with the silver and the one without. This is the one without, you can see, and the one with the silver foil. I'd love to know which one you like better. So if you like this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment or a suggestion, and I will see you next time. Thank you.